Hello everyone and welcome back to Sinful Gourmet, and today we're preparing chicken keema karanjee. So let's have a look at the ingredients. We've taken half kg chicken keema. This is washed properly. We've taken some green peas, 2 onions which are finely chopped, some coriander and mint leaves, 3 green chilies which are chopped, and some ginger garlic. We'll grind the ginger garlic into a paste. We've also taken the all-purpose flour or maida. Then we have the masalas, that is turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder and garam masala. So let's start making the keema karanjee. Now we'll start preparing the keema. So we've taken a kadai and we'll put in some oil. Now we'll add the chopped onion. And we'll add the green chili. Now we'll fry this till the onion turns pink. Now while the onion is frying, we've also chopped, coarsely grounded the ginger and garlic. You can make it into a fine paste also, and we're going to add this now. Now the onions have started changing the color. We've not put in much oil, very less oil we put in. And now we'll add the keema. Now we'll mix this well with the onion, garlic, ginger and green chili. We're cooking this on a high flame for like 5 minutes. Now we'll add some salt, turmeric, and we'll mix this well. Now if you can see, the chicken has already started leaving some water, so we'll cook the keema in the water itself. We'll cover this for at least 5 to 7 minutes. Now it's been 5 to 7 minutes and now there's some water. Now we'll add the other masalas. We'll add some turmeric, the coriander powder, red chili powder and some garam masala. Also add the green peas. Now we'll also add the chopped coriander and mint leaves. And we'll let this cook for like 5 to 7 minutes with the lid. While the keema is cooking, we'll start kneading the dough, and we've taken maida. We'll add some salt, some oil. We knead the dough as we normally do it for any while making chapatis. So we'll put in some water and we'll make it into a dough. So the chicken keema is now ready, and now we've also made small puris of the dough, and we're going to fill this with the keema. Now we'll start stuffing the puris with the keema. Fold the puri and stick the sides. And you fold it inside now. So you make all the you stuff all the puris in the same way, one by one. So with this shaper you can give a shape. If you don't have a shaper, that's also alright. You can just fold it with your fingers. Now we've taken a kadhai and we've put in some oil, and the oil is now hot, and we'll start frying the karanjee. Fry the karanjee properly on both the sides. Right, so our karanjee is now ready. And now let's plate this up. Our chicken keema karanjee is now ready, and you can serve it with a sauce or chili sauce of your choice.
Hope you have liked this recipe, and I know you would definitely try this. Do let us know in the comments section. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get notified for the new recipes. See you soon with another delectable and yummy recipe, and until then, happy gourmet.